Hey, everybody, it's Mr. Bone again with the seventh grade essential questions. And this week we are on question number 4. How have rivers changed mankind? And usually, as usual, we'll see what do I need to know in order to answer this question. Well, first of all, what are the major civilizations? Seventh grade social studies is set up with a few main goals in mind. One, we covered with religion. Two, talking about the big river civilizations. There are several major river civilizations. You'll need to know where were they, when were they, and what achievements came from each one. We've already covered Mesopotamia. That is one, the Fertile Crescent. We are starting Egypt, so the Nile River Valley. We'll have two more river valleys yet. That'll be the Indus River Valley and the Yellow River Valley. So we'll cover a couple more yet, but the major ones are we're about halfway through them. Next, why did these civilizations choose river valleys? They're called river valley civilizations because they came and developed in river valleys. But what opportunities do river valleys offer us? One of the questions you see written around the room here is, why do people live there? And we've talked before, even since sixth grade, that generally people don't tend to choose tops of mountains and deserts to live in, but they do choose to live in river valleys. So what are the opportunities that you get by doing that? Also, did these river civilizations do the same things in each river valley? Were they just copies of each other? Could you take Mesopotamia and see the exact same thing happening in Egypt and the exact same thing in the Indus River Valley and the exact same thing in the Yellow River Valley? Were they all the same? Are these areas still the centers of civilization? And if we think about them, are these still not only population centers, but are they centers of civilization? In other words, they are a driving force in our current society. Maybe some of them are, or some of them are not. But why would that be? Is it because of something that happened in history? Certain conquerors, certain wars, something like that? Is it because of the climate? Maybe the climate has changed. Maybe we prefer different types of climates today than we did in ancient times. Is it because of technology? Has something changed technologically that allows us to get away from civilizations that have to be in the river valleys? And now we see civilizations cropping up in different areas of the world, or at least the centers of civilization. And are there any other reasons why these civilizations may still be or not be the centers of civilization? Hopefully, again, this helps you with question number 4 in case you need it for later on. And as we say in our hometown, Husky ends in an IE.